Cursor to me feels like, and I am a victim of this as well, Baby's first decent AI tool. So the first one we're going to hit is Cursor, the VS Code fork that took everyone's hearts and minds by storm when it showed up, offering an actual UI and nice way to work with AI in a nicer way, I would say, than what was initially presented inside of VS Code. CJ has gone and dropped it into B tier, so I'm going to assume that is his assessment.
So I dropped it in B tier. I'm going to say right now, I'm going to start everything in B tier so I don't influence the vote, and then we'll move it up or down.
Well,
from
you
there.
influenced my vote, and I will keep it there. Cursor to me feels like, and I am a victim of this as well, Baby's first decent AI tool. I'm not getting anything out of Cursor that I'm not getting out of other tools in this day and age.
I kind of agree. Like Cursor was one of the first, right? It was like people freaked out when it initially came out and like its abilities. But since then, some of these other tools have added like much better user experiences and like better ways of like working with context. I'm between A and B tier because like I use it almost all the time, but lately I've been getting really mad at it because like sometimes it doesn't stay on track. Planning tools aren't as good as some of these other AI coding editors. So yeah, I'm like low A tier if anything for me.
Okay, I'm gonna put it as an S tier.
No,
mostly because like they keep just adding all of the features that everybody else does. I'm running it in max mode. It's fantastic, and also like Cursor really changed the game for so much. Like VS Code Copilot was working pretty well when Cursor came around, but there was like some bugs. Like I specifically had one bug where it would add extra curly braces to the end of the tab completion, and I opened that. It was open for a year, and it was something I hit like 7 or 8 times a day, and that was a major issue. And it took an entire year of me, who has a fairly loud voice in this, of complaining to actually get it fixed.
Did you just throw a "Do you know who I am" moment here? Is
that kinda, yeah. Like kinda like I was like pretty vocal about it and getting like people to sort of to go behind it. And once Cursor came around, like VS Code like put themselves into like rocket ship gear. They're like, oh shit, like we got to keep going. So for that reason, and for the fact that like Cursor is rolling out new stuff absolutely every single week, they're rolling out all of these new features. They're constantly pushing the game as to like what are the new ways we can attack this. Their background stuff is really cool as well. I'm saying S tier.